In this video, we will learn how to find the greatest number among three numbers in Python. Let's get started. First, we define numbers. I will use Python built-in function max that determines which number is greater than among all numbers and store it in another variable to print the greater number. Let's move ahead and now perform this same action using conditional statements. So we define our number first. So here now I will use the conditional statement along with the greater operator from the comparison operator to compare numbers, and I will also use AND operator from the logical operator that returns true if all conditions are true and print the number. I will use elif condition, that is short form of else if, and it is used to determine the another condition after the if condition. So if the if condition is not true, command comes over to the elif condition. I will use else condition. It means if our all conditions are false, none of the conditions are true, then at the end else condition will be printed up. Else means otherwise. So here first I define three numbers. Later on I use conditional statement here along with the comparison operator, that is the greater than, and the AND operator from the logical operators. So here comparison operator is comparing two numbers, and AND operator is making sure of that the both conditions, condition number 1 and the condition number 2, the both conditions are true. If both conditions are true, then it will print the number 1. So here I first compare number 1 with number 2, then I compare number 1 with number 3. In elif condition, I compare number 2 with number 1, and I later on compare number 2 with number 3. And finally, if none of these conditions are true, otherwise means the else condition will be printed on. So if number 1 is not greater than number 2 and 3, if number 2 is not greater than number 1 and number 3, else we are left here with only number 3, that is the greater number. So let's check it now. Now let's move ahead and perform the same action using Python def keywords. Def keyword is used to create user created functions. So first I will define a function and pass three parameters that will take numbers as an input. Now after that I will define here conditional statement. So we know that conditional statement is here same to compare the numbers. So I will copy it from up the above example and paste it down here. I will call function and pass three numbers here as an argument to the parameter. Let's move ahead. Still, we will use here that keyword, but in this example, we created only one function for the all three numbers. But now in this example, we will create one function for each number. So first define the function. Let's create first function for the first number and pass the parameter. Now inside this function, create another function for the second number and pass the parameter. Now inside this second function, define another function, that is the function 3 for the number 3. Now define the conditional statement where to compare the numbers, call the function and pass the argument in the form of number to the parameter. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video ends here. Have a great day.